Okay.
All right, let me share. All right, this is SIG Scales, July 31st, 2025. Only one agenda item for today. This is for I saw Daniel tagged us on this. So it looks like there's some performance job failures, and because we have some sort of misconfiguration. Hmm. That's what we were complaining about in that bug. I mean, you can see it failing here. It's weird. But I think the issue is let's see, create should successfully create whatever this test fail. So I don't know what it means when I don't know if it means that this is causing a failure or if it just means that Crowd can't read it or something. I'm not sure quite sure. Um, but I think we just need to make a little change here.
Just the output is not put into right place, right?
Sorry, Lubo, I didn't catch that.
Seems like it's just put in another uh, directory than we should be doing that, right? Like what Daniel is describing.
Yeah, we okay, so he's saying we need to put it the file here. I don't know where it is or how we do that. I don't remember ever doing this. However, it's expected in artifacts. I don't remember ever choosing where to put it.
That would be in the how do we call it? Perf scale tests in the automation. In the automation, I believe, and then we call that perf scale test HA.
Is it in this repo we make the change? I don't know where this.
I
I'm
think
not
it's
familiar with this.
I think it's in the KubeVirt.
Like the make file scripts, you think? Or is it like a
Like where we actually execute the the test binary.
would it be here? Actually, no, let's see. I don't know. Artifacts, J. Okay. Yeah, I don't know where this goes. I mean, um, we'll have to investigate. I have no idea. I mean, maybe it's in here. I feel like it's in here. This seems like where the config for the CI would go. But I forget where to look in here. It's been a while.
Hey, sorry, I was distracted with other things. What are we looking at?
we're looking at this issue that Daniel posted saying that oops, the JUnit file for I actually don't even know what a JUnit file is, but this something that Prow needs is in the wrong directory. And
Hmm.
I don't know what it does. Like I don't know what it does something. So he's saying we need to put um our JUnit file in the artifacts directory. I just don't know. I'm trying to understand like I don't know how to do that. Well, I don't even know what I was wondering if you guys knew. But if we don't know, it's okay. I'll just ask Daniel offline and make the change.
So I don't know exactly where that JUnit comes from, but I see that a lot of pro jobs have that generated automatically. And we might have an artifacts directory variable inside of the makefile, not in this repository, but in our test suite.
Yeah,
And
that's what Luba was suggesting. So where would that be? So this is not here. It's
So if you search for, let me what is weird, we actually are doing it, I think. So I'm not a little bit confused on what is actually wrong.
no, no,
And
I
let me
think,
put it in.
an hack, maybe?
yeah,
Yeah, and if you just go to the perf test.sh
yeah.
So there's
and
like an
just
artifacts in here.
search for artifacts. Yeah, yeah.
Artifacts performance. So maybe
Ah,
this is
okay.
it.
Yeah, this is it. So we just need to remove the performance subdirectory. I guess that's what he's
Why do we do
looking.
this? What's the what yeah, why do we do this? Actually, I don't remember.
So everything which you actually put under the artifacts is then exported to the pro, right? To like where we actually like it's stored and then you can come back to it. It's the output of the job. And what he's saying is that because we do the sub, yeah, here,
I
so that
see. So we don't really
because
need
we
this, do
say
we?
the art, yeah. So the performance just needs to be just removed, and that's it.
Okay.
And so then, and when you click there on the performance, you see the JUnit, and
This
if you
is it.
open it,
Yeah.
yeah. So if you open it, so this is what would be then showed on the pro page. So you would
Okay.
this would be parsed, and you would see like a passed test, skip test, and so on,
I
and the
see.
results.
Okay. So we don't need okay. I just don't remember why we had a subdirectory, but I guess we don't need it. I don't see anything else here. I don't remember why we did that.
Um, I would be a little bit careful in removing that. I think our tooling that plots the graph
Hmm.
has this directory hard coded in it. So we need both those PRs to go simultaneously.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm trying to find the link for it. Give me a couple minutes. I'll share it here.
Or maybe the config can be changed. So, right there, that I guess it's a reject, so it can be like, please search for any other subdirectory of the artifacts. I don't know.
Yeah, that's a possibility. I don't remember why we used the slash performance thing in the first place. That's like it just seems like we're creating an unnecessary subdirectory.
Okay, I think I have uh, pasted the link in the chat.
All right, I'll go to that 1 second. Hold on, I'm trying to find our. Yeah, we just kind of okay. Yeah, there's just an empty directory we put in there. All right, let me go to your message. Okay, so we look in performance, prefix file name. Okay, so we just need to, okay, you have it here. This one too, same thing. I was just looking at that one. They both need to be changed. All right, let me take these two and this one. Okay. Okay. So, all right, that seems easy enough. All right, so we just need to get 3 PRs open then. And it looks like they're all one-liner. Or 2 PRs open, it's just all one-liners. Oh, this would be 2 liners. 2 lines change, the other one would be a one-liner. All right. All right, no problem. We can all right, do you guys want to do this or you want me to do this? This is seems pretty straightforward. I can volunteer to do this if okay, I'll volunteer to do this then this is pretty simple. Um all right, I'll send you guys this for review when we have it. This won't take long. Okay. Any other topics, guys? I think I don't know if you guys saw it. I had a really hard time posting to the mailing list the summary. For some reason, like whenever I responded to the thread, it would delete my message. For some reason, the history, whatever the history was on the message, whenever I responded to it, it seemed to delete it. So I had to rewrite like my message like 3 times. So I got a little bit like the amount of word count and the verbosity of the message just got less and less because it was a little bit frustrating. So I kind of left it at a very high level and had no links in it or any pictures or anything because I couldn't figure out how to get it sent. But I mean, do you guys like? I feel like we got to the bottom of this at least, and we're at a point where we can look at the new graphs. And I think we feel pretty comfortable with what we're seeing. I think we'll just have to have. I think the only other thing we need to do is to have a note in the release, what this change was. Actually, I'm
Yeah,
gonna leave
and
both of that.
I can give you an update. I'm working with Daniel and Brian to get a CPU manager set up. Hopefully this week, if not the next one, and then we can try to get a dedicated CPUs for these jobs and see if
Okay,
that helps.
that's awesome. Okay, yeah, that'd be great just to deal with this problem. And then I created this bug for this pod create count issue, and I don't know. This one I still is a mystery to me. I don't know how it's a bug because I just don't see where the bug is. And funny enough, if I look at shoot, I go back to here. Where am I going here? If you go back in here, you can actually, oops, you can actually see. I mean, we can actually see it failing. I mean, This is what the bug is, right? I mean, it's not supposed to fail because it's less than 100, and or it is supposed to fail when it's less than 100, and it's actually behaving that way here. So I don't really know. I this bug is just very weird to me. I don't know how. Yeah, I really don't know how. Like it's maybe we're wrong, and this is not the bug. Like maybe this isn't the bug. It was metrics or something. I don't know. It's like hard to say. This is just weird. So I don't know what to do with that one. We're gonna just have to keep an eye on it. If we see the performance change at all, I think the metrics right now are good and they're showing good results. I mean, we can see it. This looks right. If we start seeing something change, I think we'll just need to investigate it again and see like we did, just to see like if what's going on. If it means that we're not actually creating 100 VMs or if it means that we're missing metrics, I'm not really sure. We're just going to go through it again.
I do wonder if we include the failed job into the graph as well. If we filter this out or not, I don't know.
No. I think I can't remember if we let me see. I guess we'll see the artifacts. Do we post any? Oh, so we do have some, but we don't post all of them.
Yeah,
So these should be included.
we don't filter the failed jobs in the graph.
So that could be the explanation, right? If we just include the failed jobs, then
So as long as the job exports this artifact JSON, the grapher will plot it. It does not really have an idea whether the job failed or not, right? We would need to plumb some kind of mechanism into the JSON file to say whether the job has failed or not, because otherwise we'll have to scrape through the build log.txt to figure it out. And there are
So
many.
would I'm sorry, wait.
Yeah, go ahead.
I was saying so well, I was gonna say this side of the graph, and I don't know if you're suggesting this, but these were successful jobs, these ones over here, right? But the ones, some of these um bullet points, these dots at the bottom, that's possible that were failed. That could be skewing the data a little bit. That's an interesting one to think about.
So do we know for sure these were successful from January to February?
Yeah, when we were looking there, they were. I mean, because I remember when we went and looked through here. I mean, we have them over here. Like here's where we were looking through them. Some of the hold on. Here's like the February ones. So these are all the successful ones, and you can see. And this is when we were starting to see well, we were definitely seeing them because it was had to do with resources. So these are all showing the missing number of BMIs or however you want to call it, and they're passing, right? Like we can go in here and we'll say here, 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 and create pod counts is 11, and then if we go to actually 111's probably okay. We need a what was the number? It was like 80 or something, I think we were seeing. No, not this one.
So I think um, we are looking at the
7. See, we do have a create pod counts. That's how we base the threshold off of. Maybe that's why it's not.
Yeah,
Well,
I think we are looking at different uh, jobs, right? So the graph shows periodic jobs, and then the results that we are looking at is pull request. So we are looking at pre-submits.
yeah, let me see. Okay.
Not this. The other one.
Oh,
Oh
is it this one?
no, not even that. The SIG performance one, periodic E2E 131 SIG performance. It's right under the SIG compute red. So it's in first row right now in that bar.
Wait, over on the left side? Or am
Yeah,
I not seeing it?
second row now. Yes, second row. Yeah, right. Just right to
Oh,
where.
right, there it is. I see it. Okay, there it is. Okay, so yeah. Oh, do we have the history on this?
Yeah, definitely.
We do. Okay, how do I? I don't remember how to look. So I have to go here, right? Somewhere over here.
I mean, test grids should be enough, but let me see.
So Ryan, if you click one of the jobs
Okay.
and then do job history.
Job history. That's how I get there. Okay, thank you.
But hold
Okay.
on, I think we can be little more. Um,
A little
yeah,
faster than last time. Do you remember? Do you,
yeah. So you
uh,
can go to the
oops.
benchmarks directory. Uh, let's see.
How do I do that?
No, it's a separate repo. The benchmarks, CI performance benchmarks.
You have a link. It's something I don't know.
Yeah, just sharing it here.
Okay.
Yeah, and I'm trying to see if we can get a build ID somewhere. Oh, we don't. Okay, give me 1 second. I have one more trick.
Okay.
So what I'm trying to do is, yeah, I'm trying to
Control
find the
this.
build ID, which is from the February uh, build, and hopefully that
Can
can.
I just make up a number here? Like, is that
I don't think so.
what happens if I go like that? Oh, wait. There's no way. Did I just like hit it right? Hold on. Or did I just accidentally go somewhere I didn't?
Okay, here's the trick. If you can open the latest link I shared, it
All
has
right.
job IDs based on date.
Okay. All right. So we need 12. Okay. We need like the area anywhere around here. Probably, yeah, like right around here. All right. Yeah. I mean,
Oh, yeah, this was game changer. We should save this trick.
yeah, that's a good one, Ollie. So wait, where is this? This is in yeah, performance benchmarks results. And I'll just make a link to this in our notes. Yeah, this is a good one. Um, a little index of useful links.
So I checked and it things like everything is passing. So that's interesting.
Yep, it's passing. So Yeah. I don't know. I mean, I don't know how.
It's a mystery.
Yeah, I mean, this is saying it's creating 100 VMs. This has to be. I don't know. It's just frustrating to think about. Like, I feel like we need we need to give this one some time, and it'll come to us. I don't know. Like, it's yeah, I don't know what the solution is. All right. Well, I think then we're good. I'll create these changes. We can get them merged so that we're getting the JUnit file in the right place. Okay. All right. Any last comments from people? Otherwise, we will end
yeah,
it. Yeah, go ahead.
Uh, for this release, we are supposed to add the benchmark numbers for
Mhm.
each stocks. I think we need to follow up with Srija. She has a PR up that we plan to use to do this. Just need to get that done. I think this week or early next week, so we can complement the release.
Is this like okay? So we just need to get we need to get that posted for it's 1.6, right? I think it's our next release.
Yes.
We need the 1.6.
Yeah, and I think this one will include the explanation that
Yeah.
you put on the mailing list. So that PR we should review carefully to send out a good message there.
Yeah. Okay. I wish I had my original note that I wrote. Like I had like I wrote the whole thing. But Google Groups doesn't have like a send inbox, so sadly it's gone. But it's okay. We'll write it again and we can yeah, let's get it on the PR and we'll get it merged. Okay. All right, we'll do that next week.
Yeah, sounds good.
All right. All right, thanks guys.
See you. Bye.
See ya.